Hey, I have a 2002 Chevy Trailblazer in the shop with this muffler. It came like this. I already have removed it. Exploded on the highway. You can see how bad this explosion was. So I have to change this muffler. I have a new one. We have to replace it. Came brand new in the box. It's a brand new muffler. It's a very huge muffler. Has to be replaced. But before I replace it, I have to know why this happened. So we have to go find out what happened. So we got all the codes. It's been a lot of codes been stored in the computer, and my focus was on the cam shaft and the crankshaft sensors, and also there is a misfire on number 5. Those camshaft sensor and crankshaft has to be replaced. This truck has high mileage on it. It's very old. However, I checked with the customer. He said he did replace the all the coils and especially number 5. But it looks like they never deleted these codes from the computer. Anyway, that's not why this muffler exploded. I'm gonna show you what happened here. So I removed the resonator pre-plenum from the engine, and I find that, let me find a light here. Okay, hold on, I can use a light. I don't know if you can see here, if you can see from here, there is fresh gasoline inside. Fresh gasoline. If you can see it. It's right there. Fresh gasoline. Okay, so we have to find out why this gas is here. Okay, so the spark plugs are new, so there is no unburned fuel. There must be fresh fuel coming into the plenum, the pre-plenum. So I install a clear hose here on the fuel regulator. I'm going to show you what happened. I'm going to start the car. There's a loud noise because the muffler is already off. I'm going to show you what happens. As you can see, this goes to a vacuum line into the plenum, and it sucks it back into the intake manifold. So all this is fresh gas going in. This is not supposed to be gas coming out of here. It's supposed to only air. Looks like the diaphragm broken. So that's why all this gas inside the resonator coming from the fuel regulator, building up in the manifold, going back in the exhaust manifold, going back into the muffler. It keeps it piling up in the middle muffler, and to the level it gets hot. And also maybe there was issue with with one of the coils or a couple of the coils, and created explosion. Okay, so this is the problem. We're gonna take care of it, change it, and the problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.